Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about law of definite proportions. Law of definite proportion. What is definite proportion? If any given compound, the element always have same mass in exactly proportion. For example, this is the example of cupric carbonate. Example of cupric carbonate. Cupric carbonate. If we take cupric carbonate in natural way, means natural sample, then percentage of copper is 51.35. Percentage of carbon is 9.74 and percentage of oxygen is 38.91. If we synthesize cupric carbonate in our laboratory, then also percentage of copper is 51.35, which is same as found in natural sample. Percentage of carbon also remains same and percentage of oxygen is 38.91, also remain same in natural sample as well as in synthetic sample. So the percentage of every element in cupric carbonate exactly have same mass in natural sample and synthetic sample irrespective of the source from which we obtain cupric carbonate. So what is law of definite proportion? In given compound, the percentage of any element exactly have same mass in the given compound. This is known as definite proportion. This law also called law of definite composition. So the composition of every element in given compound remain exactly same. This law is also called law of definite or constant competition. So what is the law? In given compound, the percentage of every element, the percentage of each element have exactly same mass in compound, irrespective of the source from which we obtain this given compound. Irrespective of the source of sample. Irrespective of the source of given compound. So this is law of definite proportion. This law was given by Joseph Proust. He first of all found that this type of observation. So this law was given by Joseph Proust. Thank you.